Good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm going to try to make one of these fruit breakfast drinks that everyone be making. Instead of having cereal, we're using fruit and coconut water. This is my coconut water. These are my fruits that I have washed and cleaned. Now these fruits came in a container like this, but the difference is I had to buy 2 packs. See, I had to buy 2 packs of them because this pack, the red raspberries, were molded, and I couldn't use them. We have a couple of these blueberries that's messed up too. These are messed up. So I had to buy another pack so I can get my red raspberries. These are still some good, but I'm going to have to throw this and this away. And I don't know what I might have to throw away over here, because I haven't used anything over here except for the red raspberries. And the pineapples, they didn't look too well either. These are the pineapples. I got this stuff from the store. I ordered them and it was delivered to me, so someone else picked them out. I'm not the one that picked them out. But anyway, got my coconut water. I wanted the kind without the pump, but they didn't have that, so I had to get the kind with the pump. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some blueberries. Now I think I'll do me some pineapples first. So let me get a knife so I can cut the pineapples up. Started using a knife. I can use scissors just as well, you know. I use scissors in place of a knife. I'm going to cut me some pieces of pineapple up in the cup. I don't want to make them too big. I want to make a mouth size like, so when I pick them up in a spoon, they will fit. I don't want them too big. Okay, there. That's my first layer for my breakfast cup. Then I'm going to take some blueberries and put in there. A few red raspberries. Some of these blueberries. Trying to make it pretty. A little bit more pineapple. I'll take one more piece. There. Some more blueberries. I'm going to finish the blueberries off this time. Put all my blueberries in there. Rest of my red raspberries. And the rest of my blueberries. Now, should I put another little pineapple on top? I guess so. No sense in letting it go to waste. Look like I have more pineapples than anything. Cut this one more piece. There we go. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? Now I'm going to shake up my coconut water and pour some coconut water on here. I should about, oh, I have a napkin over here. Because my hand is kind of messy here. Get that out of the way. Shake up my coconut water and pour some in here. There we go. That looks good. Now, I need a spoon. I'm going to taste the pineapple first. Good. That's good. It really is. I enjoy that. Top on. Going to get me a straw. I'm thirsty. That pineapple juice made me thirsty. I'm going to drink some of this coconut water. I'm going to pour some more in now. Coconut water is good for dehydration. I must be dehydrated. Pour some more coconut water in there. Okay. And that's the drink. Very good. You guys should try making you one. It is delicious. Well, I'm back with another drink. This time it involves orange and a pack of Fit and Active fruit punch. Water. You mix this in water. This here is Fit and Active fruit punch mix and an orange. I have 2 oranges here. The oranges are going bad, so I have to use them quick. And so therefore I'm going to take and make some orange juice with them. With my juicer here. I'm going to get the juice out of the orange. You can save your orange peelings and let them dry up and use the orange peelings to put in your garden. Make some compost with it. That's what I do with some of my peelings. I save them. Some of it I throw away because I don't want a whole lot of peelings. But I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, so some stuff I have to throw away because I be having too much and no place to put it. Now I don't want a whole lot of pump in my orange juice either. So I'm going to scrape some of that off. Now some people like the pump, but I'll take a little, but I don't want as much as this orange is giving me. And that's just one of the oranges. And I'm going to pour this juice in this cup. That's how much juice I got out of that orange. Now I'm going to get my other orange here as soon as I get rid of some of this. But I don't want all that. And I know a whole lot more is going to come out of the other orange. It's going to be just too much for me. Put some down in there. There we go. Now to cut my other orange. Someone is out there blowing. They don't understand. What happened to the phone? They can't call. They don't have a phone. They have to blow and disturb the whole neighborhood. I thought we didn't do that anymore. But I guess some people still do that. So I'm going to squeeze this orange and get all my juice up out of here. Not that much juice coming out of this one. Take the other one. They need to invest in the phone so they wouldn't disturb everyone else. Okay, a whole lot of pump didn't come out of there. So I'm going to pour this into here. That's half of orange. Now I'm going to do my other half. Then I'm going to show you guys how much juice I got out of 2 oranges. This is 2 oranges of juice. 2 oranges of juice. Okay. Got all my mess here. Now I'm going to pour some cold water in here. Going to get a bottle of fresh cold water. A bottle of fresh cold water, and I'm going to pour the cold water in here as soon as I get this open. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to put my pack of Fit and Active in here. Then I'm going to stir it up. That just made the Fit and Active more healthier by using fresh oranges, fresh water. Isn't that beautiful? The way it's settling in there. Now I'm going to get that spoon to stir it up. Here we go, let's stir it up. Now I'm going to take a spoonful and taste it. That is delicious. Yes, you need to try that recipe. Get you some Fit and Active, fresh orange, some fresh spring water, and you got yourself a drink there. I could have put more oranges in there. If you want more oranges, you could use 3. I only wanted 2. 2 was enough for me because I didn't want it too orangey. I wanted to be able to taste my fruit punch. So, thank you guys for watching. Try this recipe. You'll love it. Bye. 2 great recipes. Let me get a straw for this one. Two great recipes to make and have morning, afternoon. I don't think you want to have this at night. But in the morning and afternoon, a nice, refreshing, cold, fresh fruit drink. Use some Fit and Active. That way you don't have a whole lot of sugar. This is delicious. Both of these drinks are really delicious. You should try them.